Several people have come to me in the last few weeks and they told me that they've been working with Duolingo and other apps and YouTube videos before and they have a lot of notes, but they came to me because they want to help with improving their conversation skills. And so they find it difficult whenever having real life conversations. They get confused which word to choose, they speak too slowly, they feel like all of a sudden they forgot everything they learned, didn't know, they feel self-confident, like shy. So I wanted to tell you this. Having a lot of notes doesn't make you know. It just means you have a lot of notes. The real life exam is when you are able to converse with your neighbor, with your friend, with somebody casual in the store. The sentences don't have to be grammatically correct, but you want to be able to take them out of your mouth. So you want to have the confidence and you want to have the ability and you want to feel good about yourself when you're doing it. Imagine somebody constantly feeling shy or like he's doing it all wrong. He's not going to enjoy speaking, right? Eventually he's just going to retreat and try not to do it and avoid it. So having the confidence and having fun while speaking is really, really important, especially when you live in Mexico and you want to become part of the community here. So having a lot of notes doesn't equal knowledge. And a lot of people, because they're shy, or if they live in a place where they don't have anybody else to speak Spanish with and practice, they come to lessons because it's a safe environment. But a lot of people feel better about themselves that they get a lot of notes and they read a lot of grammar rules and accumulate a lot of knowledge. But it's useless if it's not put into practice in real life. So just find somebody to practice with, somebody to talk with, join conversational classes. Be in an environment where you feel nurtured, when it feels good and safe and you feel supported. Nobody wants to be judged and nobody wants to be laughed at, and it's natural to feel embarrassed. We all did it, I did it. The important thing is that you just get over it. Have a fun day.